What's up, Tech Fam? This just came through. It's the brand new Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, as well as a Xiaomi Braided Quick Release Strap. So this is a super new product and it's yet to be launched in the Philippines. I couldn't really find that much information about this product online. So we're going to be discovering more about the Xiaomi Band 8 Pro at the same time. But before we begin this journey together, let me just remind you that we are not getting paid for this video. So if you would help us by subscribing, that would really help. If not, just give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and we'll go ahead and begin the unboxing. Alright, so the first thing that I noticed is how the packaging appeals to the more luxurious side of things because of the chrome-plated Mi logo as well as the chrome-plated text at the bottom, but also the design of the band itself. This obviously comes in black, so up to 14 days of battery life, 5 ATM water resistance, upgraded all-around health monitoring, as well as on-wrist running courses with professional status analysis. Ooh, that sounds interesting. I'm not a runner per se, so for the runners out there, please help me by letting me know in the comments what exactly this is supposed to mean. Now, moving to the other side, we can see that it features a large AMOLED display, all new quick release structure for the straps, built-in GNSS, which means that this supports GPS, then metallic frame. So we're gonna have to find out later just how easy it is to snap these straps into the watch and how comfortable the silicone straps are gonna be once we've worn them. Over here we have the charger. I'm looking at the back of the Band 8 Pro and wow guys, it has a enormous set of sensors. I can see the contacts for the charging at the bottom, and this is where the straps are gonna go. Looking at from the side, you have what appears to be chrome-plated edges to protect the device, and then you have the display. Now let's try to connect the straps. Super easy, super fast to snap the straps in. Let's see if we can release it. Voila, super fast to take it out as well. So all you have to do is to press this button. Okay, there you have it, nice and snug on my wrist. So if you haven't noticed, there are no physical buttons. So the way to activate this is by connecting the charger. So I just connected the charger to turn it on. And now we're getting a prompt to download the Mi Fitness app and connect the band. As you can see, I have the app installed on my phone. Now let's go ahead and connect it to the Smart Band 8 Pro. Okay, so we're receiving a pairing code. We're gonna accept the pairing request. And that's it. Really simple. Wow, look at that. This is the default theme or skin for the Smart Band 8 Pro. Very classy, very luxurious, but it keeps on turning off. So the timeout is very aggressive. Let's go and head over to the display settings. You have automatic brightness levels, which is nice because you want to be able to adjust the brightness when you're heading out so that you can compensate for the sunlight. Let's go and reduce auto lock down to 30 seconds. Okay, brace to wake is scheduled. Screen on is currently turned off. So I guess this is the reason why the watch keeps turning off right away. So we're gonna change that to 5 minutes. And we are getting a warning that it will affect battery life. Cover to sleep, always on display is another feature that will drain the battery life on your Smart Band 8 Pro, although this is an AMOLED display, which is very, very power efficient. If you're going to be traveling and you're going to have limited access to a charger, you may want to turn this off. But we're going to go ahead and turn this on for now, and as expected, we are getting a message that it will cut down the battery life by half, and when you're doing so, raise to wake will be turned off. We're going to go ahead and enable that, and we're going to set it to smart. Okay. Default theme. Interesting. So you have different layouts. We currently have 69%, which is nice. And according to the display, we will be able to go for about 4 days, or 4 days and 19 hours, which is almost 5 days. You have a battery saver option. Okay, so I just turned on battery saver and it like deactivated the touchscreen. I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. Okay, now it managed to exit the battery saver. If you swipe from the bottom, you will be able to open the applications panel. Let's just breeze through this real quick.
Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.
Those are all the features on the app. Now let's go ahead and open the Xiaomi Braided quick release strap and attach it to our Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. Here you go. Wow, this is a very nice looking strap. Since this is made of fabric, it has the potential to absorb sweat if you're going to be using it to work out. So this won't be my first choice if I'm going to the gym, but for everything else, this is going to be my go-to band. Okay, so this is how you adjust the length of the strap. Once you're wearing the band, you just simply move the Velcro up and down in order to change the length, like so. And boom. Okay, so now we've attached the braided quick release strap, and it's like a bracelet because you're gonna, boom, you're just gonna adjust it like so once it's on your wrist. It's super light and super comfortable to wear the quick release strap. I would really recommend that you get one of these if you do decide to get a Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. So what you're looking at right here is the always on display. This is what's going to be shown on the screen if you're not actively using it and navigating through the device in order to conserve power. So you can see some information here, such as the date and time and the temperature, and not much else. And it's super dim, meaning it's very low power. You can activate it by tapping, and boom, you're gonna get more information from your screen, and you will be able to use it as you normally would. So this is the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. It weighs 22.5 grams with body size of 46 by 33.35 by 9.99 millimeters. We have a 1.74-inch AMOLED display with resolution of 336 by 480 pixels. Brightness goes all the way to 600 nits, and it supports automatic brightness adjustment. It comes with the following sensors: acceleration sensor, gyroscope, optical heart rate and blood oxygen sensor, as well as an ambient light sensor. Waterproof grade is 5 ATM, and it supports GNSS or GPS. It also comes with NFC and Bluetooth 5.3. So what do I love so far about the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro? Number one, the display. 1.74-inch AMOLED. It's immersive, it's bright, and it's very power efficient. Number two, all the sensors that you could ever need, plus GPS and NFC. Number three, it is very comfortable and I like that it is super light. What are your thoughts so far, and what is your favorite feature on the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro? Do you currently use a smartwatch or a fitness band? And what are you looking forward to the most if you do decide to upgrade to your next smart band? Let me know in the comment section. This has been Kuya Den for Tech Kuya. I'll see you guys in the next video. Paalam.
Know just what